Next one topic, nested loop structure. A loop placed within another loop is called as nested loop structure. One loop contain another one loop means is called as the nested loop. In Python, they have classified 4 types. First one can place a while within another while. One while loop contain another one while loop means is called as the nested loop. For within another for. One for loop contain another one for loop. For within while. One for loop contain while. And while within for. One while loop contain for loop. Okay, that is a nested loop structure. Next one we can see one example using the nested loop. Following is an example to illustrate the use of for loop to print the following pattern. In first line display the number is 1. In second line 1 and 2. In third line 1, 2, 3. In fourth line 1, 2, 3, 4. In fifth line 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Example, program to illustrate the use of nested loop for within while loop. One for loop contain while loop. Okay. First one, initialize the I value. I value initialized as 1. I equal to 1. Next one, using the while loop. I less than or equal to 6. They are used the relational expression. So I value initialized to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 6 condition is the true. Okay. If the condition is the true means execute the j loop. That means the for loop of counter variable is j. Okay. It will be execute the for loop. J is the counter variable. In is the keyword. Range is the function. 1 is the starting value of j and I is the ending value of j. What value stored in I, that value consider here j value of ending value. Okay. So here I is assigned there. So what value stored in I means 1. So j ending value is 1. Okay. Next one, print j. What value stored in j means first one initial value is the 1. 1 is printed there. Okay. Next one, end equal to slash t. Okay. End is the one of the parameter. Slash t used to provide the 5 character space. After display the number 1, it will be produce the 5 character space. Then increase the j value. Already j value 1. Now increment the j value as 2. But ending value I value is a 1. So condition is not satisfied. If the condition is not satisfied means won't execute the this line. It will be execute the next print statement end equal to slash n. Okay. So cursor display in a second line. Now execute the increment segment of I. I plus equal to 1 we can define that I equal to I plus 1. Already I value 1. So 1 plus 1 is increased as 2. So it will go to and assign in a condition of while loop. I value is the 2. 2 less than or equal to 6 condition is the true. If the condition is the true means it will be execute the for loop. J value is 1 starting value and ending value I is initialized there. What value stored in I means is the 2. So j ending value is the 2. Print the j value. J values starting value is the 1 is printed there. After display the number, it will provide the 5 character space. Next increase the j value. J value increases 2. Okay. Ending value I value also 2. So it is will be satisfied. So that means it will display the number is the 2. J value is the 2. 2 is printed there. Then increase the j value. J value increases 3 but I value is the 2. So condition is not satisfied. That means it will be execute the this line end equal to slash n new line. So cursor display in a third line. Okay. Next increase the I value. I plus equal to already I value is a 2. Now increase the value I 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So it will go to the while loop. 3 less than or equal to 6 condition is the true. If the condition is the true means j will execute 3 times, j value 1 and j value 2 and j value 3. Next one, if you increase the j value 4 means the condition is not satisfied. Okay. because in the time I value is a 3. Okay, so if condition is a false means next increase the I value 4. Okay, if I value 4 means j will execute 4 times, j value 1, j value 2, j value 3 and j value 4. If j value 5 means condition is not satisfied, so I value increases 5. If I value 5 means j will execute 5 times I value j value 1, j value 2, j value 3, j value 4 and j value 5. Finally we can get the output like this. In first line number 1, in second line 1 and 2, in third line 1 2 3 and fourth line 1 2 3 4 and fifth line 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that is the output of this program.